All right, so let's review this compact hair dryer from Conair. I needed something really small, really tiny to carry on my bag in case if I need to travel, because I travel a lot. So this is lightweight and portable. I would say it's pretty light, yeah, by the box. It's pretty light. By the size, look, this is my hand. And look how big it is. It's literally just like, I guess, a little bigger than a smartphone. So, packaging is a little bit chipped, ripped, but it's okay. It doesn't matter. Let me open this. It's kind of quite hard, so I'm opening it with you guys. So you guys see. It's actually pretty cheap. I think it was like $10 or $12. I'm not really sure. That was under 15. And oh, look at this. Look at this. It's tiny. It's like a cup, a tiny cup. I haven't used it yet, so I don't know, but for the sizing, for whatever that you need it for traveling and stuff, I think this is perfect. Okay, and the hand is possible. And it's really hard to make this video holding a phone in one hand and wrapping it with another. So, oops. Oh, yeah, this is how it goes. You press it, and there we go. So this is how big it is. I will test it out and I will tell you guys how it works, and I will write another review. But so far, and packaging wise, it's exactly what I was looking for. Thank you, Conair. Thank you, Amazon. It's really cool. It's tiny, and it has low, off, and high, so it only has like 2 modes, I guess, and 2 voltages for 250 and 125. Correct me if I'm wrong. So far, I'll give it at least 5 stars for the style and the way it was looking. But I don't know about the quality yet. But I think it's gonna do its job. It's not Dyson, but it's perfect. Look at this. It's so cute. It's so tiny. It's really gonna fit in your purse easily, or in your backpack if you're traveling. Yeah, I think if you need something small, you should go ahead and buy this.
Hello, Gary Lynn here. I have almost 200,000 views on Amazon. You know, that's a lot of people watching me. Makes me feel important. Hey, I want to talk to you about this hair dryer that my wife ordered. It's a little thing. It's for travel, but it blows like it's made for a hair dryer, a hair stylist. If you were to go get your hair styled, the sound of it and the amount of air it blows out of it is very cool. Or I should say it's very hot. You'll like it. Give it a try.
It's good, guys. Buy it.
Where's the cool shot button?